Hey guys, I'm Fee, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing with T.U.K. They've sent me some of their vegan cruelty-free creepers, and I'm really stoked to show you guys. So for their first ones, we have these little velvet platforms. These are really cute, and they have like a little black checkered around the toe. They have little bones on the bottom of the platform. I think these are probably like an inch, maybe two, I'm not really sure. But these are really cool, and velvet, kind of like a fancy little platform creeper, which we love. They've also sent, these are very fun. This little plaid creeper. I really like the bottoms of all of the T.U.K shoes. They put a lot of detail and effort into them, which I feel like a lot of people kind of just don't really care about the bottom, so I really love that about T.U.K. These are kind of more loud, so they're pretty fun for like a festive vibe, more like, I don't know, especially with the holidays. I really love these. And they have a little red stripe around the side, and these are actually really cute. I didn't even notice that until right now, but it has a little T.U.K on the back. And then these bad boys. Wow. These are so cute. They feel like suede, but obviously they're vegan, so we love that. I'm taking this out so you guys can see it. But it has like it shows like a little upper foot. These are kind of like a ballet meets platform little mini creeper vibe. These are really cute. And they have a little T.U.K on it with the black bottom. They're really soft too. They feel really nice. I just really like those. These have a little leopard print on it, and it has a little stripe with like the brown on the side. I don't know, I'm really into leopard right now, and I feel like my leopard coat would probably be a little excessive with this, but I'd also probably love it. And then it also has the little white and black T.U.K bottoms, which we're obsessed with. I like how soft everything is for T.U.K. Like this has a canvas side, but the top is like fluffy, almost like a blanket. All in all, I'm really excited to style these, and I can't wait to show you guys what they look like. So let's take a look.